A 2 News exclusive tonight as a tornado bore down on her car. A mother of 8 with deep ties to Utah tried to protect her kids. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Malahi.
And I'm Mika Miyashima. It was the last thing that Jodie Owens did before the twister struck in Oklahoma, killing her and her 13-year-old daughter, Lexi.
I consider her a hero. Like, that is a heroic thing to do, to be taking care of someone else while you're also in danger. And that danger eventually took her life.
Loved ones say Jodie Owens spent her final moments trying to protect her kids.
She was with her daughter Lexi and on their way home from her friend's house.
Jodie was on the phone with her other children who were at home when her vehicle was struck by a tornado.
Jodie was trying to get them to go to the shelter because she knew a tornado was coming. She didn't realize it was right above her. And as she was on the phone with Bree, they screamed, and then the phone went dark. It appears that they were blown off the road and hit a tree, and then dragged through a field slightly, and then the entire vehicle was lifted into the air and thrown about 300 yards.
Jodie's brother tasked with breaking the news to their younger brother.
And all I could hear from him were sobs. And that's when the tears came for me. That's when the realization came that she was gone.
Jodie's husband, David, says his wife and mother of 8 kids made him a better person.
I am a better person. I did not deserve Jodie Owens. I just can't express how wonderful of a person she is. In fact, it's just fitting that the Utah Memorial is actually going to land on a Saturday, the 21st, which is our anniversary. And Jodie and I were married in Springville, Utah, 23 years, ago. And
that memorial that he's talking about is one of 2 planned for Jodie and Lexi, the other in Fairview, Oklahoma next Saturday. Family has set up a GoFundMe to help cover funeral expenses. We'll have that link posted to our website, KUTV.com.